Hello lovelies, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now I'll be showing you my February favorites, and I have not done a video like this in months just because I'm a creature of habits and I tend to stick to whatever works for me, and quite frankly makeup is expensive, okay? So I have no business buying makeup every single minute to share, but I have a few this month that I want to share with you, and a couple of them I am very in love with. Actually, I'm in love with all of them. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to share with you is this RCMA No Color Powder, and I've raved about this before in previous videos. I really love this powder. It's very finely milled, and it just works very great for my skin. What I like to use it to do is basically when I prime my face and moisturize my face, because I have oily skin, I usually use this to kind of control the oil, and it works like a charm for me. I also use it to set my under eyes and also to set my primer on my lids, and I really love how this works. It works amazing. It does not leave any cast or any powder on my face, and from what I've seen, it does not give any flashback from the pictures that I've taken. No flashbacks, and I really love this. And the thing about this as well is that it can be used on all skin tones, so that is a great product, and this isn't expensive at all. So make sure you guys go check it out because I've been really loving this RCMA No Color Powder. The second thing I want to share with you guys is this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and it's one of their primers. This is one of the best primers I've ever used. When you talk about matte, guys, when you talk about matte, this is the primer to give you a really matte base, because if you have oily skin, you always tend to go to things that will give you a more of a matte base, and this, my friends, works like a charm. I absolutely love this. It's more of on the expensive side, but when I tell you this works, it does work, and I've been loving this. I'm finishing it up and I have to get a new one, but this is what it looks like. It comes with this little tip right here. The only thing I can say about this is I don't like the smell. It has a really horrible smell, but it is a great primer for oily skin. So if you have oily skin, please make sure you go and check this primer out. Another thing I want to mention to you guys is this Makeup Forever foundation. I absolutely love this. I have mentioned this in one of my foundation collection, and oh my goodness guys, let me tell you something. This is one of the best foundations I've ever purchased. It gives a natural, flawless finish, no flashbacks. It photographs really well, and I just love how it makes my skin look so full of life. I mean, it's not full coverage, so if you're a full coverage person, you may not like this one, but I don't mind having medium coverage sometimes because I live in the hotter countries, and to have full coverage sometimes might be a little bit too much. So I like when, especially in the daytime, I like to have sort of a lightweight to medium coverage, and this does the job. I absolutely love it. The coverage and the color is absolutely perfect for my skin, and all I have to do is just mix that into my skin. Look at how it disappears into my skin. And it's the thing about it as well is it's not oil free, which I usually don't like to buy foundations that are not oil free. But when I use these two, my friends, when I use these two, this primer and this powder, this looks so beautiful, and I love these are like my secret weapon right now. I love the finish, and I love the way how my skin looks when I use these three, and I use these when I'm going like on a date night or something special and I want to look extra flawless. These are what I use, so I've been loving these so far. So another product that I've been loving lately is this Rimmel hashtag Insta Fix and Go, and I've been using this religiously. I love this setting spray. It has a nice smell and it gives your skin a nice matte look, and I just love how it works to me. And of course, it's a drugstore product and I wasn't expecting too much of it, But my friends, I really love this. It says here it's 2-in-1. It's a primer and a setting spray. So basically you can use it before you put your foundation on, and after you put your foundation on and your powder, you can use this to lock everything in place. And 2-in-1 setting spray and primer to me is a bargain, and this wasn't expensive at all. Of course it's drugstore, so it's going to be inexpensive, and I really like how this works, and I've been loving it lately. It says here it locks in makeup, it dries quickly, and it's all free, so it's perfect for me, and I've been using it oh so much. I've been using this a lot lately, so this is one of my favorites at the moment. Okay, I know you guys have heard me say this like a million times, but now you know the love is real. I am talking about Black Up x Jenny Jenkins highlighter. How many times have you guys heard me rave about this highlighter? I rave about it because I absolutely love it, and I cannot, when I say I cannot get enough of this highlighter, I cannot get enough. Okay, and as I said, I also broke it, and I have not been able to fix it as yet. I know what I'm going to do with it. I think I'm just going to use the bashed up bits and mix it with some oil and make like a shimmer body oil. But at the moment I haven't fixed it, and I am still brokenhearted. But let me tell you something, guys, this is one of the best highlighters I've ever used my money to purchase. Even though it wasn't more on the expensive side, I have no regrets because I get 4 shades and I can mix and match. I can use them as, you know, eyeshadows, highlighters. I can put them on my body. I can use this to do all sorts, and I absolutely love the quality, the pigmentation, everything about this highlighter is just top notch, and I've been using it so much. I absolutely love it. I know I've said that a million times, but I really love this highlighter, and yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way to fix it. How many times have I said that? I'm really going to have to fix this highlighter, but this is one of my favorites at the moment. I will let you know when I find something else, but at the moment I've been loving this Black Up Paris x Jenny Jenkins highlighter. Mwah! Just swatch 2 of them for you. And another one. The other side is broken, but I'll try and swatch it for you as well. So these are the highlighting shades from the Black Up x Jenny Jenkins palette. Absolutely in love with these highlighting shades. Okay, so let's jump into this Eco Styler Coconut Oil Gel. I know this has been on the market for a while, but I finally got my hands on it, and this, I have to say, is my favorite gel from the Eco Styler line. I've tried the yellow one, I've tried the green one, I've tried the white one, but this one, this does not leave any flakes in my hair, and it does give me that nice sleek look because I like to sleek my edges down, and this is so amazing. I've been loving this gel, and of course I had to get a big tub, and I've been using it very sparingly because I don't like when my hair is too stiff, but I really love it. It smells so yummy. I love it, and it says here it's a maximum hold of 10, and it's suitable for all hair types. It's long lasting, and it gives no flake, no tack, and it's anti-itch, and that I can attest to because I really love how this works. As I said, there's no flakes, and I hate when I use gel in my hair, especially at the front, and it looks, you know, white and flaky. I hate that. It makes my hair look really dirty even if I just washed it, but I love the results this gives, and this I'll be purchasing for a while. I don't think I'm going back to the other ones. I'm going to be purchasing this one for a while, and they are affordable. This is a very affordable gel, so if you're looking into, you know, gels, try this one out, of course. So the last thing I'm going to share with you guys is this perfume right here from Caroline Herrera. Take a minute or two to take all of this little beauty in. This screams Shaunz 10 times. You know that, right? Oh my goodness, guys, I absolutely love it. I love the packaging, and I'm a sucker for packaging. And not only is the packaging amazing, but the smell, Whoo! I cannot tell you how many compliments I get wearing this, and I got this for Christmas and I've been using it really sparingly because I don't want it to finish. I've used it maybe a couple of times and I love it because it's so long lasting. I wake up in the mornings and I still smell like $1,000,000 and I love this so much. I don't know how to describe the scent to you, but it's such a feminine, sexy, beautiful smell, and I absolutely love how it just matches with my skin. It matches with my own scent and it smells absolutely amazing. And this has been my favorite perfume at the moment and I'm really enjoying it, and I don't want to finish it up, but as I said, I will repurchase when this is done. So yes to this perfume from Carolina Herrera. It's called Good Girl. So get you some. Get you some if you're a good girl. Get you some if you're a bad girl. Get you some because you love to smell good. So that sums up my February favorites. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any new collection, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's just have a chat just because we're friends and we like to chat. How about that? Also, let me know what your February favorites are, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and follow me on all social media platforms. They are linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. So guys, that sums up my February February's favorites. Why can't I say February favorites? Let's try that again. Get you some because you're a good girl. Get you some because you're a bad girl. Get you some because you love to smell good. That didn't rhyme, did it? Oh well.